Fourth part of Tobbcast. I can't believe we are recording the fourth part. It's an amazing progress for me. And today we are going to speak about a very popular theme among the teenagers, animes. So we have Yasin from 9B and Bumin from 10A. Welcome, guys.
Hello, I'm Yasin.
Hello, I'm Bumin.
Okay. Guys, let's start with the first question. Why animes? This is a very classical, maybe a cliche question, but among all the genres, why do you prefer animes? Why do you spend all your time with countless numbers, endless episodes of animes?
Well, I started watching anime when I was very bored. That one day I just opened Crunchyroll and started watching it with Attack on Titan, obviously. And it was a very good one. I have fun with it. It was good. What about you, Yasin?
Actually, I watch anime because it's really different from our world. You know, the politics, the economics, everything that makes me stressful. Anime just, clears my mind, and I just enjoy the anime. Is the plot, the characters, the language itself is really interesting and enjoyable.
Okay, all right. So let me ask my next question. Probably this one will be your favorite. What's your favorite anime?
Well, I like Death Note because it has so much detectivity, some crime. It is good with its mysteries. I like it very much because the character development is good, the story is good, the plot is good. I don't know what can I say more. What about you, Yasin?
So I like the Jujutsu Kaisen. It's a new gen anime. I like it the most not because it has a great plot or ideologies, but because the character developments and the action scenes are really good. In season 2, I think the mysteries begin to clarifying, and it's really good.
Its main character is Gojo, right?
Yeah, we can say. Actually, the main character is Itadori Yuji, but Gojo is, just stole the show by like a side character from Naruto Sasuke.
Wow.
All right, thank you. So would you like to add anything about Jujutsu Kaisen?
Well, I know with my little information that Gojo has a iconic sentence, right? Yowaimo.
Yowaimo.
What's the meaning of that?
You're weak.
You're weak.
You weak?
You're weak.
You're weak.
Yeah.
You're weak.
Wow.
Okay, I got it. So it seems that I'm not very fond of animes. Actually, I'm very fond of. When like 10 years ago, I remember those times that I watched, endless Bleach episodes. Yes, even with the bloopers. Probably they call them those episodes fillers. Yes,
fillers.
Even I enjoyed all the fillers because there are lots of different characters, iconic characters.
Yeah.
So yeah, I can understand you, but maybe growing up just stopped me while watching the characters. But with the advice of Yasin, I started Attack on Titan. Though there are a lot of gore scenes in it, it has a different type of giving the character development.
Yeah.
There's a revolution coming there against the Titans, those giant people. So it seems interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go on with the impact of animes on global pop culture. What do you think about the effect of animes on pop culture?
I think it has a huge impact on people. People are arranging anime activities in USA, in Japan, in Tokyo. Especially in Tokyo's Shibuya, there's a bakery fully inspired by Jujutsu Kaisen. There's a cursed object called in anime. There's a cursed object called Prison Realm, and they make the cake of Prison Realm.
Wow.
It's really good, and I really want to go there.
Would you like to taste one of those? Things, pastries. Okay.
Well, you said a lot of things about the anime events, and I want to say about the cosplayers, obviously. isn't they are a little bit overreacting the anime?
Overreacting.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, maybe we can say that. But I really like cosplayers, especially the like the physical ones, especially like Nanami from Nanami, Gojo, Suguru, and other fantasy animes. So I really like them. Yeah, they can be overreacting sometimes, but I like them as a result.
There is a guy named Chris who makes cosplays
Yeah,
on YouTube,
yeah,
you know?
yeah. King Chris. Yeah,
King Chris,
I know.
yeah.
He's the GOAT cosplayer of all time, I think.
Yeah, it can be.
Talking about cosplays, think that in our school we arranged a party or an activity, an event that you require to wear your favorite anime's costumes. I mean, become a cosplayer. Would you like to have such an event? And if you had, which character would you like to turn into?
I probably dress like Aaron Smith from Attack on Titan. Paint my hair brown. Oh, blonde, sorry. Because Arwen is just a icon, so much inspiration he has for me, his determinity and the things, and I would very love the event of cosplaying in our school.
Mm-hmm.
It will be very good.
Yeah, I think so. I would be really happy and, I would really enjoy it because they're really, when it's compared to the other events in Turkey or, the other countries, the anime events are really, really, really low compared to the others. So I would like to make an event. My cosplay would be Toji from Jujutsu Kaisen, Toji Fushiguro, because he has insane physique. He has iconic sentences. Talking about the physique, also characters like Nanami and Toji may inspire people to, I should get that physique because it looks really cool and,
I see, I got it. So you're very interested in becoming into an anime character.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's talk about diversity in anime genres. Yes, we are always interested in fantasy ones or action ones, but there are a lot of blends that combining different genres like sci-fi vampires, gothic vampires,
romance,
romance from action to sci-fi. Could you give us some examples, blends, the combinations, yes, not only the fantasy ones, not only the action ones. For example, Ghost in the Shell is pure sci-fi.
Yeah.
I guess there is an anime named Berserk. Maybe you know it.
Yeah, I know it, Berserk. The Dark Souls games, it is inspired from Berserk. Okay, all right, just go on.
Can probably.
Mm-hmm.
Well, the Berserk is just so much dramatic and so much action has it in that I know what is it actually. Well, when I watch it, I get so much trauma that I can't sleep for days. I don't know why, but it's very, very
It's
heavy.
really traumatic.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's very dramatic.
The betrayal of Griffith to gods is really, really, really heartbreaking. So, like Berserk. And I think, Monster has a similar ideology to Berserk.
So, there is a big community behind all these animes. Yeah, I know. There are lots of fans around the world that really likes the movies, the musics. We can understand them. But we call these anime fandom. They are obsessed with the animes.
Otaku they call, I guess.
Okay, otaku. Are you one of them? Are you one of those otakus? And how do they contribute to the anime community? Do they harm it or do they contribute positively?
I think they do both. The ones who, support their favorite anime like an insane person, I think it really harms the community and also the animes itself. Because you're gonna watch something, you're gonna watch My Hero Academia. I think it's not bad, good anime, but its fandom is really toxic. They're defending My Hero Academia like insane. They're like, Deku is best, it's all.
When I explored the My Hero Academia fandom, I was going to watch it, but after the fandom, nah, I'm not gonna watch it.
Nah, psych.
That ain't gonna happen.
So
No.
the toxicity
Yeah,
prevent you from watching it. Wow, that is actually
harmful.
disgusting, harmful. Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
All right. So it seems that you're watching a lot of animes.
Yeah.
Thinking about these animes are coming mostly from mangas.
Yeah, mangas.
Yeah.
Mhm. Have you ever read any of your favorite
Yeah.
animes? Have you
Yeah.
ever read the mangas of any of your
Yeah,
favorite animes?
I read the manga of Monster, Berserk, Attack on Titan, One Piece, and Jujutsu Kaisen.
Well, I'm not much of a manga enjoyer. I just read.
You
the
read
first
anime
parts.
only.
Yeah, I just watch
Yeah.
anime. I only read a little part of Attack on Titan.
Yeah.
Just that. I just watch.
What did prevent yourself from reading them?
Well, I just want to watch it. I just want to have the graphics, the wars, the action with most intense
The
feeling.
animation.
Okay. So
Yeah,
you're
it's
mostly
really good.
interested in animation.
Yes.
So you said I read lots of mangas.
Yeah.
And compared, let's talk about Attack on Titan. Compared to the anime, what kind of differences can you tell us between the manga and the anime?
The action scenes in manga was almost, I think, terrible. They were so bad for drawing. I don't appreciate Isayama for that. But in anime, they were animated so good. Mappa did its work so well that I was like, wow, it's excellent. Almost excellent. Also, the dialogues between characters in manga was really simple, but in anime, it's more detailed and, heartfelt.
Okay. So yesterday I started watching Attack on Titan.
Yeah.
And then I learned its director was the director of one of my favorite series, Death Note.
Yeah.
Do you have any specific director, or do you choose the animes that you are going to watch according to the creator or the director?
I watch my animes according to mangas because if its manga is really bad, I don't watch it. I just pass it. But if manga is good or just a normal manga, the anime can be worse or better. So I prefer to watch it because why not?
Okay.
I usually look at the EMDB points of the series, the anime, and I just watch like that. I'm not much of a specific
Explore.
watcher. Yeah, explorer.
Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot. Now, let's head forward to the ending of this podcast. Would you like to recommend any animes to a mediocre watcher or to a spectator who hasn't seen a lot of animes or recently? Can you advise some animes that you have seen recently?
Actually, an anime called Solo Leveling is gonna release in January 2024 January. I really recommend that. It's gonna, I think, be a crazy anime. I recommend it, and also the big three. The One Piece, Bleach, and Naruto. I recommend it also. Also, the Berserk and Monster who like psychology. Therefore, they're almost perfect for who likes psychology.
Mm-hmm.
I can just say that if you want to start the anime, you can just watch Attack on Titan because it has so much continuity, character development, it's its finest. So you can just watch it and love the anime. After that, it can come after it. And can I say something about it? Less
Attack on
speech.
Titan?
No. General.
Okay, of course. This is your podcast.
Well, they say anime is for kids.
This is absolutely, sorry, but bullshit.
Yes, it is. Well, if you watch Berserk, I'm using it very much, but it's just the best example I can say. If a kid watches that, nah, he's not gonna watch ever anime again. Nah, he's gonna down. Never.
It's not for kids. The animes like Naruto or One Piece they don't contain much blood or violence in it.
Yeah.
Kids can watch under the control of adults, but I don't recommend kids to watch anime so usually.
Mm-hmm. Who are saying that?
Who
oh my
are?
God, you are watching again animes? This is for kids. Generally, who are these people?
Elders.
Elders. Okay.
Also, some people say that anime has huge negative impact on who watches it. I don't think so. You watch the anime to enjoy, not to be a criminal or something.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it. Thinking about the first episodes of Attack on Titan, I think it should be over 18.
Yeah.
Because all those gore and violence, even I couldn't recommend it to you because, how old are you? 15?
14.
15, 14, yeah. So thinking about your age, even those episodes are a little explicit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But, things are changing. We are in 21st centuries. As the internet goes and goes,
Yeah.
everybody knows everything. So
Yeah.
the age restrictions
you
maybe
can't
should change
stop
it.
it.
Yeah, indeed.
Like-
But, as the internet, animes are endless. The content are endless. Do you think that should parents check the animes that you are watching?
They can check it. I don't have a deal with them, but I don't recommend. I don't like them to say you can't watch it or you must watch it. Look, it's my own life. It's my own enjoy.
I just can say that the parents just look for the kids. For kid brain is very easy to shape it. So the parents should look forward for the kid to not watch a very violent, very
Explicit?
explicit animes, because the kid can affect very badly and in his afterlife. No, afterlife not.
Real life?
Yeah, in his real life, he
In
can
his
be
growing session.
he can be a psychopath, insane man.
Psychopath. Yeah.
Yeah, we don't like it.
I agree with you about the kids, but I don't think we 14 to 15 you can be affected by them. But teenagers like us, I don't think we get affected that much as the kids. So I don't think anyone should stop us from watching our anime.
Okay, all right. Thank you. Yasin and Bumin were with us today, shared their precious, valuable thoughts about the animes.
Yeah.
Thank you for listening us. See you next episode.
See you.
Yeah, goodbye.